Welcome back to Tripping Solo with JC. Second episode of Gujarat trip. Let us start. Remember the famous Amitabh ad, Kach nahi dekha to kuch nahi dekha. So here we come, Ran Utsav. So day 2 journey starts Ahmedabad to Ran of Kutch, Ran Utsav tent city via Bhuj, approximately 400 plus kilometers. Google Mata says 7 hours, and ultimately it took us about 9 hours. Roads were pretty bad in between, of course, as Indian roads. We have to live with it, and traffic jams here and there. That is part and parcel of road travel. Fafadas and pakodas were the breakfast in the morning for the driver. Of course, we had our breakfast at the hotel itself. As used to some of the clean washrooms in north, unfortunately in Gujarat we couldn't find much of that. But of course, this hotel had one, but somewhat okay. गाय हमारी माता है और सड़क पे आता है. After checking into the tent, it was time for us to visit the cultural activity show which was happening in the tent city itself. It's a huge, maybe 60-70 acre property. So where the tent city is created. So it was nice. After seeing all these cultural activities and all, we headed for a dinner. Lunch, dinner, breakfast, high tea, everything is part of the package.
શહેરમાં. પણ વસ્ત્ર કેવા થઈ ગયા? વસ્ત્રો એટલે કપડા. વસ્ત્રો થઈ ગયા ટૂંકા, એમાં લોંગ લાઈફ ક્યાંથી હોય? અનાજ થઈ ગયા હાઇબ્રિડના, એમાં તાકાત ક્યાંથી હોય? ફૂલ થઈ ગયા પ્લાસ્ટિકના, એમાં સુગંધ ક્યાંથી હોય? પ્રોગ્રામ થઈ ગયા કેબલના, એમાં સમજણ ક્યાંથી હોય? ભક્તો થઈ ગયા હવારતના, એમાં ભગવાન ક્યાંથી હોય? માસ્ટર થઈ ગયા ટ્યુશનના, એમાં શિક્ષણ ક્યાંથી હોય? હા, વિધિ પૂજાની ટોકરી, વિધિ પૂજાની ટોકરી, એ વાગે નહીં તો શું કામ?
As said, food was part of the stay package, so we had very varied variety of food, mostly Gujarati stuff and all truly vegetarian. It was superb, very tasty.
These are all Jain food, so I'm skipping. Repeat, without garlic. It's very tasty.
After dinner, it was time to go to a live planetarium for doing some stargazing. We had a guy who had a very long telescope and was showing us all the stars. Best part of Run of Kutch was it is at 23.6 degrees latitude, just 1 degree above the Tropic of Cancer, and in one of the darkest parts of India where there is not much of city light, which is affecting the astronomers. So we had a nice view from there looking at all the stars on a no moon day. standing in Ran of Kutch. This is the white ran. White, can you see the salt here? So this is the entire salt. Actually, I tried to taste it, but I didn't like the taste. It was so kadwa. Enjoying the show here, fantastic. And we didn't come for the early morning sunrise because it was a very hurried trip. So we wanted to spend some time here. So that's why we came around 10 o'clock. It's very chilly out here, very windy. The temperature would be approximately 20 degrees. So enjoying the climate here. You also enjoy with me White Ran.
This is nice.
So that ends our visit to Ran Utsav and White Desert. So next episode we'll see where the Tropic of Cancer passes through, and also a short visit to Bhuj and the birds of Jamnagar. So keep watching our channel. Please like, share and subscribe to the channel. Unfortunately, the number of views are more than the actual number of subscribers I have. I want to make it 1000 subscribers. Need your help. Thanks.